AlphaRex specializes in designing and producing superior and uniquely stylish aftermarket automotive performance lighting with unrivaled innovative technology. Watch this video as we take you through the installation of your new AlphaRex headlights in your 2014 to 2019 Toyota 4Runner step by step. Prepare these tools for your installation. Whenever working on your vehicle, start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Start by removing the top plastic cover. The mounting tab can be removed by pushing the middle of the 9 taps. Remove the 10mm bolt and the 2 mounting taps on the upper part of the front grille. Remove the 4 mounting taps on the back of the lower part of the front grille. Remove the 6 10mm bolts, 3 located on each side by the wheel well. Remove the 6 10mm bolts on the bottom across the bumper. Unplug the passenger side fog light while you're removing the bottom bolts. Pull on the side of the bumper. You can use the small flathead screwdriver to help release the clips. Loosen the front bumper cover and unplug the driver's side fog light and remove the front bumper completely and set it aside to be reinstalled later. Lift up both side molding along the fender. Remove the 4 bolts that are holding the headlight. You may now remove the headlight from the vehicle and unplug the 4 connectors. Transfer bumper bracket from stock headlights to the AlphaRex headlight. With both headlights removed, it's time to connect the daylight running light harness, with the red to the battery positive, black to the negative, or the 10mm bolts on the firewall. In order for the daylight running light to function during the day, you'll need to tap the gray wire into the 10-amp INJ fuse. Route and connect the 2 red wires, one to the back of each headlight. Install the AlphaRex headlight. Repeat the previous steps for the opposite side headlight and install. Follow the previous removal instructions in reverse to reinstall your factory grille, top plastic cover, and inner wheel well. Test the functions of your AlphaRex headlights to ensure everything works properly. Once everything has been tested, aim your AlphaRex headlights by parking 25 feet from a wall and level the headlights evenly. Turn clockwise to lower the light, counterclockwise to raise the light. Now you are ready to use and enjoy your AlphaRex headlights and enjoy the new look and improved night driving of your 2014 to 2019 Toyota 4Runner. Visit AlphaRexUSA.com to see all of our performance lighting products for your vehicle.